check this out. 2022 Dodge Charger V6. This was a birthday gift from her husband, and he gave her the wheels too. I think it's a nice setup. It's very clean. What do you guys think of that stance? Let her know in the comments because she wants to know. I like the stripes on it and the wheel accents. See that? I like that. That's clean. Anyways, it wasn't sounding too good. It was too quiet. So he said, nah, we can't have that. We got to change it. So here we go. Cat there, cat there. X-pipe, that's all factory. That's where we come in, take the mids out, and replace them with BIGBOZ. Because you know what? BIGBOZ sounds really good on these. BIGBOZ 4s, right there. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. You can order BIGBOZ there. They're a good company. They're very reputable. We never had any issues with shipping or anything. So go to our website and order you some if you like that sound. So 2.5 continues out the back. And as you guys can see on each side, we finished it off. We took the resonators off and finished it off with 5-inch rolled by 18 black tips. You want to put those 5-inch on those? Let's see if we can get you guys a link in the description for them. But you want to put those on because they do deepen the tone and give it that perfect tone. All right, so here we go. And it takes a lot of the V6 sound away. And they're all the way from Kentucky, so we appreciate them coming down. There's the rears that were on it, and there's the mids that were on it that we cut off. All right, so stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe for more beautiful content.
All right, guys, got a 2015 Dodge Charger SXT. Factory converter right there. Another factory converter there. And then originally I went into a Y. I'll show you guys everything. It's outside, but originally went into a Y right here and then went single all the way down and then wide again at the back. But we took that out, put a custom made H-pipe right there, then ran True Tools all the way out the back into some Natami black flat cut tips right there and right there. I think they're 4.5 outlet. There it is right there. Full custom system with an H-pipe. We'll drop it down in a second. I'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, here we go. 2022. All the way from Logan, Kentucky. Here we go. Big boys in the middle. BIGBOZ. I always call it big boys. I don't know why. BIGBOZ in the middle. Rear delete 5-inch tips. Go ahead. It's loud. I love the BIGBOZ on those. They just take all the raspiness away. This keeps it really clean. You know? Yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Here's sound decibels. One more. Right at 108. BIGBOZ does not disappoint. That's clean. Yeah, that's good. So they approve. I approve that they approve that I approve. Anyways, if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Did he hook you up with some keychains and stuff like that?
Thank you.
Yeah. High five.
High five.
Yeah!
Ready?
I like loafers. It looks really good. Yeah, that sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside.
All right, guys, 2015 Dodge Charger SXT. There's the back Y pipe that went into the rear mufflers right there, and then they already had a rear muffler delete, and that was the middle section right there, the front Y pipe. So this is True Tools with an H pipe. Go ahead. It's idle. Not 82-ish, 81 to 82. All right, go ahead. A lot better, yeah? Now here's sound decibels. 2015. So that's true dual straight pipe with an H pipe. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
'22 Dodge Charger V6 with BIGBOZ mids, rear delete, 5-inch tips. Here we go. This sounds so good. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. Beast mode.
15 Dodge Charger SXT. True duals with an H pipe.
Guys, check it out. 2018 SRT Hellcat. What a beautiful beast. We just put some new tips on it. 5x18s, our signature. Hear that beast? All right, go ahead, bro. He says he's gonna give us a nice drive off. Hellcats always make really good burnouts, so hopefully, let's see. We got a crowd showing too. Appreciate it, bro. Sucker flies. Now bet on all beast mode.